What prevents hypothermia in severe polar vortex weather? Imagine standing in the middle of a swirling storm of freezing air and snow. The temperatures are plunging for below zero, and the wind chill makes it feel even colder. How do humans and animals stay safe in such extreme cold? What keeps us from succumbing to hypothermia? Well, it all comes down to some clever tricks our bodies and surroundings use to fight off the cold. First, insulation is key. Humans wear layered clothing that traps warm air close to the skin. The inner layer wicks moisture away, keeping sweat from cooling the body. The middle layer provides insulation, like thick sweaters or thermal wear. The outer layer acts as a shield, blocking wind and moisture from reaching the skin. Covering all exposed skin, especially the head, hands, and feet, helps prevent heat from escaping. Animals in polar regions have thick fur or a layer of blubber that insulates them from the cold. These natural layers are like built-in winter coats that keep their bodies warm. Protection from wind is also vital. Wind increases heat loss by whisking away warm air from the body's surface. In polar vortex weather, staying out of the wind or using windbreaks like snowdrifts or shelters helps keep heat in. Buildings and vehicles in polar areas are specially designed with thick walls and insulation to block the cold and wind. Staying dry is another important factor. Wet clothing or skin can lose heat much faster than dry materials. That's why waterproof outer layers and quick changes into dry clothes are necessary if you get soaked in snow or ice. Eating enough food and drinking fluids support the body's ability to produce heat. Calories from food give energy to generate warmth. Hydration helps maintain circulation, which distributes heat throughout the body. Avoiding alcohol, caffeine, and tobacco is wise because these substances can cause blood vessels to dilate, leading to faster heat loss. In polar regions, people and animals have adapted to survive the cold. Humans use insulated homes, heated vehicles, and emergency supplies. Animals migrate to warmer areas, hibernate, or have physical features that help them conserve heat. To prevent hypothermia during a severe polar vortex, it's important to wear multiple layers of insulated clothing, cover all exposed skin, and stay dry. Seek shelter from the wind and cold whenever possible. Eating regularly and drinking plenty of fluids help keep the body warm. Avoid substances like alcohol and caffeine that interfere with circulation. Keep an eye out for early signs of hypothermia, such as shivering, confusion, or slurred speech. These simple but effective strategies, based on how polar animals and environments survive, can make all the difference in staying safe in the coldest weather on Earth.